let's start with an avocado snack. Because what else are you gonna do at 3 a.m. at the airport in Lima? We are excited about Mexico. With Christmas around the corner, still unbeknownst to us, we had organized ourselves the greatest present.
Welcome to Mexico City. We have arrived. We will not able to disembark. Please remain seated.
And so we arrived, dining on yet another avocado snack. Because what else are you gonna do at 9 p.m. in San Miguel de Allende? Actually, there's a lot more to do, which we would soon discover.
So we just arrived in Mexico City after 6 hours of flying, and it was really cramped. Our bodies are aching, and now we have to get to San Miguel de Allende after we get our baggage, and then hopefully have a good night of sleep, because we didn't sleep much last night.